Okay, this is one of the top floor bedrooms. Ensuite bath. Amazing views of the ski resort. And another bedroom. Let's see, there's 88 Shock Hill in the distance there. Or I'm sorry, 88 Brooks. Main floor master, right off the kitchen. Beautiful through fireplace out to the patio. Right on top of your neighbors here at the cottages. A nice patio right off the master. Again, you can see 88 Brooks in the distance, and most of this tree line here is part of the acreage of 88 Brooks. Large bathroom off the master, a large walk-in closet. There's 2 washer and dryers in this house, one in the master and then a laundry room located downstairs. Double vanity. Shower and tub. Great views of the resort and your neighbors.
Pretty good views.
Yeah.
Off the front and the back.
Nice, close to the gondola.
Yeah.
Easy walk.
Views are low.
Okay, and I'll take you and show you the downstairs. So this is the entryway. Powder room right off the entryway here. Come downstairs. Closet right under the stairs here. They've got a lock on it. It's an owner's closet. In this hallway, I'll take you down to 2 bedrooms. Laundry room here. Another hall closet, plenty of storage in this house. This bedroom down here has a bathroom. You know, it's a good snow year when you can't see out the window because there's snow everywhere. Home has plenty of windows, lots of natural light, even in the lower level of the home. And here's your last bedroom. Views of the outdoor area from this bedroom here. I'll show you that as we go around. This is a Jack and Jill style bathroom. That door goes to the last bedroom. We were just in there. And again, that's the entryway, main entryway there. This door will take you out to the garage, and it's locked, so I can't get in there right now. But so if you were to come in from the garage, you'd come in right here, and then there's all this room to put all of your gear and boots and things like that. Then downstairs den area, again with another little wet bar here. Then here's your outdoor hot tub and fire pit. We also have a grill out here as well. So not much privacy from the neighbors from the hot tub, but still a nice area to hang out with the family. Again, nice high ceilings throughout the entire home.